Mr. Paritosh has two options for investment. The first option offers an annual return of 20% per annum compounded annually, and the second option is 30% per annum with simple interest. He wishes to invest the entire investable amount with him in one of the two options. The financial advisor says that the first option becomes a better option in comparison to the second option only when the amount remains invested for at least n years. N is an integer. The value of n is. Now see, whatever the principal is, in the first instance, it will become P into 1.2. Every year it is increasing by 20%. 1.2 raised to the power m. And we want this to be greater than P into 1 plus 0.3n. This is the smart way of writing down the amount under simple interest. Now, the next task is simple. We have to know that this P and this P will get cancelled on both sides. And beyond this, there is no solving that one can do. There is no technical way, or at least CAT students should not know any way to solve this technically. The smartest way here next is now plug in the values of n. At n equal to 1, it is easy to do. At n equal to 2, it is easier to do. At n equal to 3, it is easier to do. Because 12 cube tak, I am expecting everyone knows. But beyond that, maybe at n equal to 4, 5, 6. At worst, you'll have to check for a few values and then you'll get to the answer. In this particular instance, the answer is of course 6, which I have arrived at using a calculator. I'm definitely not going to try to solve it. Here, simply the formulation of the equation or the inequation in this instance, which will lead us to the answer, is the most important stuff. Once you do that, life will be simple. Okay.